This is the StoryWorks Roundtable, where we have conversations about craft, because becoming a successful author begins with writing a great story. Happy holidays from StoryWorks Roundtable. In order to spend a little more time with our families this holiday season, StoryWorks Roundtable and StoryWorks Writing Tips are taking off the rest of the month. I hope you are having a wonderful time with your family this season. And in order to end 2022 on a good note and kick off 2023 with lots of happy, productive writing, I've got a gift for you. It's 22% off any writing course at StoryWorks Fiction. All you have to do is head over to storyworksfiction.com, check out all of my writing workshops, sign up for as many as you like, and at checkout, use code HOLIDAYS22. Sign up for courses like writing backstory into your now story, plot, you are the master of your story, building amazing characters from the blank page up, write great openings, weaving together character, plot, and theme. So many great choices, and they are all instantly available to you as soon as you register. Have a great New Year's Eve and kick off 2023 with some excellent writing. Thank you for listening to the StoryWorks Roundtable. Find all our shows, show notes, and videos at storyworkspodcast.com.